And whilst I placed the order, I got some more of this here. That was something. I bought this one. That was my first order, was fresh hose. And I just happened to get one that was just right. It's a really nice piece of hose. Of course, I thought, you know, this stuff would be everywhere. You'd be able to get it anywhere and it would always be the right stuff. Well, it's not the case. Because since then, I've ordered what the different sellers have. And one lot I received looked like this. Ariete. That's an 8x13. That one would fit. It's sort of the same size as that piece, but it's very stiff and heavy. It's okay. That's doable. I also have this one here, which is I think this one came from Steve. Oh, that's an Ariete as well. This is a 7x10. They're all Italian. It's nice. And this is a lot thinner. It would fit. I'd be able to squeeze on, but I think for the clips here, I need the larger one. Little unsure of that. This is a piece of that. So that one's going yellowish a little bit more, so now it looks green. It starts off in this kind of blue color, and then it goes that color over time. This has now been on there 5 or 6 years, so it's actually looking pretty good still. Now that I'm going to compare with the hose I bought, which is, this is a Cavis Benz. It's not like the old Cavis Benz. The old ones, the originals, had the writing in a script, you know, a handwriting style of font. Not a font, but I guess it would have been a font even then for printing. It still was printed. But it's a Cavis Benz and it's got sort of a digital, like a pixelated font on it. And that's what I've got here. That's funny, that's how much that's changed. Look at that. That's quite a bit. Well, I got a replacement. And it's not Cavis Benz, it is... And this is from the same place. This was from Medina, this one here. Well, the new one he sends is this one, which is really clear looking. Hasn't got that sort of milky look that this has. This looks more like a fish tank hose. And it's the brand this time is Crystal Benz 7x12. And this is a 7x12. Yes, Cavis B 7x12, Crystal Benz 7x12. So I've got that. It would look fine. Yeah, that'll be fine. That will do. Interesting though how it's now a really clear looking hose. Not nearly as blue as the original. Whereas some of these have that kind of foggy look to them. Hard to get that right. Very hard. I've looked everywhere for hose. All over Italian sites and stuff.